Hello there, audience. I trusted you are fine today. Today, I'm gonna show you how to bypass Google account from Mobicel Switch Plus. Instant if you forgot password, pattern, PIN, or instant if you forgot your password of your Google account. So I like to introduce myself. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and do not forget to click on the notification button. So this is the one of the Mobicel. The name of the model is Switch Plus. The IMEI one number is 353470422692692150. That's number one. IMEI two 3534704226922168. This phone has been released by the 2021 of September, made it by Mobicel, and the vision, I don't know it's a vision, but AH5181 GSM and VO2. Okay, okay, guys, instant, but it's okay. We have a trick. This Mobicel production date by June 2021. Okay, so if you don't have a SIM card, it's okay. If you don't have a Wi-Fi, it's okay. But we have a trick. This is Mobicel Switch Plus. Slime up. Okay. Okay, we're still waiting for a while. Okay. So we don't have a Wi-Fi. We don't have a lock. So it means that FRP lock is off. You see, set up offline and means that we did hard reset of your Android phone called Mobicel Switch Plus. Okay, accept, skip, skip anyway. Just a second. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel as at FRP and Loca 15. Thank you very much for your support all through the years. It has been 3 years ago I made this fucking YouTube channel. My name is Azulat Rusan, and the username is like nickname at F4P Unlocker 15. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you guys for watching thank you for watching for this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. Notification button. Subscribe.